Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to enable sample data in Dynamics 365 customer service. Like if you navigate the cases, like you may not see cases over here. So in this tenant, I have actually enabled the sample data basically. That's the reason I am able to see all the sample record over here. Now, what is the benefit of using the sample data is one, in the fields and forms are structured, you can navigate into same of the record. So now click on that. So here you can see what data exists, how the different table are connected like in this form itself there are multiple things happening. One this is account, contact, card and then there is the customer reference as lookup and then there are some subject and then there is the automatic recent cases alignment. So all these things like even from a knowledge article perspective. So click on that. So it will also ingest some knowledge article which you can use in your case management application, which is all predefined, you need not even start and it. So every knowledge article is like in a different state. As well, it is not everything is published. Some are in draft, some are in approved state. Now these are the benefit like of using a sample data. Now click on cases from here. Now even in the cases like if you want to see in the charts, now click on that. So now those charts and all are predefined and you can even navigate by going to the different charts. So all the data are predefined and you know what this application does and how this graph is structured based on the data and the information. Now in order to enable the sample data, there are a couple of ways through which you can do. So first navigate Power Platform Admin Center. Now click on Manage from here and then click on Environment and then select the environment in which you are working on. Now click on Settings from here. Now click on Data Management drop down and then click on Sample Data from here. Now you will be navigated to this screen. So I have already installed the sample data. So from here you can install and remove the sample data. And there is another way through which you can go into the backend. Now go back to the cases. Now click on setting and then click on advanced setting from here. Now scroll down. So under the system, click on data management from here. Now you will see the sample data is here. So click on that. So you can add or remove sample data from here also. So this is the second way of the importing the sample data. So sample data is like it will give you a starting point to access your customer service application with predefined data. And the data are not only the cases and the knowledge articles, but then you will have a pre-populated contact account record as well. And there are some steps which actually being performed for you by Microsoft. So in this video, we covered how to enable sample data in Dynamics 365 customer service. Thanks for watching.